So we have one interesting question there which reads to say the demand equation of a good is P plus Q equal to 30 and the total cost is that. Find the level of output that maximizes profit. We know to say the demand function is always given in terms of P. So we just make P the subject of the formula where Q crosses the other side. We know to say for us to have total revenue is equal to price times quantity, where price is given by 30 minus Q, and we multiply the same equation by Q. So Q times 30 is 30Q, where Q times Q is Q squared. Then from here we know to say profit is given by total revenue minus total cost, where total revenue is what we are from finding. We will just put it there. Then we know to say total cost is what we have as 1 over 2 Q squared plus 6Q plus 7. Then from here we just remove the break. So we have this kind of an expression, 1 over 2 Q squared minus 6Q minus 7. Then from here we just group the like terms. So here we know to say they can add. So negative 1 minus half is the same as so 30Q minus, so it's the same as 1.5, which is the same as 3 over 2 Q squared minus 6Q minus 7, where this and that can add to give us 24Q minus 3 over 2 Q squared minus 7. We know to say immediately they tell us to say find the level of output that maximizes profit. It is like we are finding the maximum, so we should find the derivative. So the derivative of profit in respect to Q is equal to 24 minus 6 over 2Q, where we know to say if we want to maximize profit, we set the change in profit over the change in quantity equal to 0. So we say 0 is equal to 24 minus 3Q, where we know to say 2 into 6 is 3. Then from here we just group the like terms, where we know to say the value of Q is 8. So the 8 is the level of output that maximizes profit.